Hey guys, a little while ago I did a video on replacing the trunk springs on the Jaguar XF to get the tailgate to open automatically when you press the key fob. Unfortunately it didn't really work, and I thought the trunk springs were actually worn, but it turns out they weren't. And some of you actually recommended that I replace the gas struts, and maybe the gas struts are worn. So I'm going to replace the gas struts with new ones I got on eBay. I paid $110 for these, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not really holding my breath that this is going to work, but I'm going to show you how to replace these struts anyway, in case you need to do your own. So just to show you, these are the trunk springs that I did on my previous video on how to replace these, and there's a procedure on how to get these off the car. And these are the gas struts here that I'm going to replace right now with the new ones. Now, as you can see, these are the original ones that came from Jaguar on the car, and I'm going to replace them with these, and they have a pirate part number on them, and I got these from liftsupportdepot.com, and we're going to try them out and see how they work. So in order to get these off, there are two clips, one's at the top and one's at the bottom, and you need a nose screwdriver to actually pop the clip off the strut, and it's not going to let go very easily, but there we go, we've got that one off. And then we're just going to pop the one at the bottom off as well. You've got to hold it with one hand. It has a tendency to want to turn, and get that clamp off. So you've got to pry this thing off because it's been on there for a very, very long time. And what I'm going to do is try and get this clamp off entirely. And that's that one off. That one's on there. What I've noticed is the heads of these things are actually bigger than the Jaguar XF, and that can create a bit of a challenge to get it on. And now we're going to fit the other side, and I'm going to do the bottom portion first because I did the top portion first on the other one, but I've realized that it's kind of difficult to get this bottom portion in here, and I think the best thing to do is to actually get this bottom portion in first, get it clipped in. You got to twist and turn it, and then get the clip in, and that's really just how it's done. And the top portion is aligned already, and you can turn this thing, and we're just going to get this on here like that, and you're going to have to twist it a little bit to get it on there and to get it in, and it may involve it may involve a little bit of screwdrivers, and I really think that's it. So you really have to make sure that they're seated in really, really well. If you pull at them, are they going to come out? Are they going to pop out? I think it's in good. I'm going to just try and do a close. I've got the key on me. I think the big test is, let's press the key fob, and lo and behold, it works. It really works. So if your trunk is no longer opening using the key fob, you got to replace those gas struts. And there we go. Job done. I want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the coolant leak issue that will be sorted out hopefully next week. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and please like. Cheers.